Prime Minister Andrew Holness weighed in on prison party video before mass security strike.
Rich partners! Rich partners!
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Viewers, Prime Minister Holness has weighed in on a controversial video that has been circulating on social media of inmates seemingly partying in a cell at one of the island's penal institutions. The Prime Minister vowed that stringent penal actions would be meted out to individuals who are involved in such incidents in the nation's prisons. The Prime Minister was quoted as saying, "Some of them feel that even when they are in prison that they are free, according to some videos that I see circulating. That cannot happen and continue without consequences in our society. So I happen to know that that incident and other such incidents will be dealt with seriously in the correctional services," the Prime Minister indicated.
Hey, killers and killers, y'all. Shelling. Yes! Brawling murder.
No man, let's show them see buckle. You see later. No
Brawling murder. Red boss. Don't know the killer there. Hey, no man, rich badness. Brawling murder. You think of chattings?
He was speaking at the groundbreaking ceremony for a $45 million project to construct a new police station in Mount Salem, St. James on Friday the 27th of November. Later that afternoon, a 100-member multi-agency security team swooped down on the St. Catherine Adult Correctional Center in Spanish Town in an operation that targeted contraband. Following recommendations from Commissioner of Corrections, Lieutenant Colonel Gary Rowe, the sweep executed by the security team targeted cellular phones, knives, jammers and other forms of contraband which might have been in the possession of the inmates at the facility.
Teach them! Hey yo, send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!